Hello, my name is Ildefonso de la Cruz, Principal Analyst at Omdia, leading the research on critical communications. Today, I am at IWC 2025 with Angus Robinson, Product Manager at Anritsu. Angus, tell us more about Anritsu and your role in the LMR community and critical communications community.
Well, thanks, Alfonso. So Anritsu's been involved in LMR testing for a very long time now. In fact, it really goes back to when we first introduced handheld portable products for field technicians to go out and install and maintain cell sites and LMR sites. And what we found was that the equipment that was used to install and maintain those products tended to be very large benchtop instruments, and we had the capability to miniaturize that and make it much more suitable for field use, battery powered. And we launched a range of products from our very well-known SiteMaster line sweep testers, and then the LMR Master, which is specifically for testing LMR base stations out in the field. And we've been in this market for a long time now, continually evolving those products.
You talk about evolution. What are the trends that you're seeing in the evolution of LMR testing devices and the way that users maintain their networks and equipment?
Yeah, that's really interesting. So people have always maintained the infrastructure, the base stations, with regular testing of the performance and the RF performance of the base stations. It used to be with the subscriber units and the mobiles that often they would only test those if they were reported as faulty by the guy in the field who was using it. If he said, I can't get coverage, I can't get a connection. But now we're seeing much more structured approach to testing and people implementing annual maintenance problems and trying to be proactive and prevent problems in the field by regular maintenance programs, archiving and documenting the results and keeping a track of all the radios on their network.
Mm-hmm. So a more proactive than reactive.
Exactly, yeah, and trying to catch problems before they affect critical operations.
Fantastic. And at the show this year, you are launching a new testing solution. Tell us more about it. What does Anritsu bring to the LMR community?
Absolutely. So at the IWC show this year, we're showing for the first time an auto test and alignment capability, which fully automates the testing specifically of Motorola P25 radios. Mm-hmm. So what that means is you can connect your Motorola radio up to our LMR Master, run an application on the PC, and that will tune the radio, tune the frequency, tune the power to the Motorola specification, and then run a test plan so that at the end of that test, you've got a documented record of the detailed performance of that radio, and a record that it's meeting specification is going to work well out in the field. So people are doing this now on an annual basis, testing every radio once a year, rather than just waiting for them to go wrong. And then when they bring a radio in, they can see when that radio was last tested, how its performance has changed. So there's a lot of information we get for our customers within this auto test and alignment program.
Mm-hmm. Fantastic. Thank you very much for that description and good luck with the show.
Thank you.